Many of us know the count and the Countif functions. I'm talking about Countif. What we have here is a text string here, a bunch of performances or anything in here. We want to know how many are poor, excellent, good, whatever the word is or the category. I go to Countif. I could type it in, type in the parenthesis, Control A, explodes it into the box. I highlight the range. It could be hundreds. The criteria in here are those who are excellent, so I type a quote around this. Spell it right, otherwise you're not going to find any. So we have 11. And if I were to change this to poor, watch the number change. It's now 10. You can also go into a dual mode, as well as counting numbers. Let's say you're trying to find sales equal to or greater than 25. Again, I do the range. Greater than equal 25. Say OK. And if I change this to 32, let's say 17, it changes. What I want to do here, I want to know to find the sales between 100 and 120. I want to actually include the 100 and the 200, as I said, 200. Equal count if S. You got different criteria ranges. I'm going to highlight this. And the criteria, the first criteria is going to be greater than equal to 100. I have to do the second criteria range. You could have several of them. I'm going to highlight this again. This criteria range, and it's putting that quote there. Don't worry about it. Less than equal to 200. Not 299. Sorry about that. Look careful. I say OK. It's finding 6. So if I change this one to, let's say, 91, it changes the numbers. You can use pivot tables, but sometimes this is a very quick, simple way to look up specific data or information.